Watch out, be careful, there are big problems with the Jordan 3 Reimagined. The Jordan 3 Reimagined releases this Saturday, March 11th. Retail is $210, and I'm gonna tell you guys right now to please be careful, watch out. There are big problems with the Reimagined Jordan 3s. These are a disaster. This is potentially worse than the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. We gotta talk about the big problems with the Reimagined Jordan 3s. You guys have a chance to get yourself a pair of Reimagined 3s. All you guys need to do to enter this free giveaway is smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the More family, leave a comment down below, let me know your size in the Jordan 3 Reimagined White Cement, and DM me proof over on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck. This giveaway ends at the end of March. The winner is going to receive a free brand new dead stock pair in their size, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in, and please watch out for scammers. This giveaway is completely free. I will not ask you guys for money. Please check the accounts. I will not be asking you guys for money. My giveaways are completely free. So if you guys love free sneaker giveaways, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. Hit that like button too. Please smash that like button. Let's get this video up to 500 likes. That would be amazing. If you guys can get this video up to 500 likes, I'm gonna give away a pair of Reimagined 3s at the end of March, but I may go ahead and do another giveaway for another pair before then. So please make sure you guys smash that like button. Quality control is gonna be a big problem with the Jordan 3 Reimagined. This sneaker is mass produced and they're being made in two factories, which means there's gonna be differences from pair to pair, sneaker to sneaker. Even the same exact pair can have differences. So I'm gonna show you guys my pair. We'll take a look, see if there's any flaws that you guys are noticing. Take a look at the elephant print. I do notice that I do have, I would say, more of the lighter shade of elephant print, but I have seen even lighter pairs, and I've seen a lot of darker pairs when it comes to the elephant print. Mine's looking pretty good. When it comes to glue, I'm not seeing too many glue stains on my pair. A few here and there. The elephant print looking good. It's looking very, very nice on my pair, and I'm happy with my pair right here. The leather quality, I am noticing it is tumbled and it looks good. It looks about the same on my pair right here, so I think I got a decent looking pair. However, we're gonna take a look at some of these photos where people are receiving horrible, and I mean horrible pairs. Let me show you. So this first one, oh my goodness, look at that elephant print. Look at the difference. Night and day, two different elephant prints. There's one thing I do want to tell you guys about elephant print is that it's gonna vary. It's 100% gonna vary from shoe to shoe, from year to year. With retros, it's gonna vary. With this material, they just cut it up, they use it. They're not gonna toss any of the material away that may look a little different. They're just gonna use it on the sneaker. It is what it is when it comes to the elephant print. However, I will say this. I know people are particular about their shoes sometimes, and they want shoes that look identical to each other. I totally get it. I understand. So this is a big flaw on this pair. Yikes. I think it would have been better if this was not the same exact pair. Take another left or right shoe that matched the same on these. It would have been totally better. That's an easy fix. This next one, yikes, is not an easy fix. Look at that elephant print. It is very, very faded. Very faded. Once again, it's just the material. The way it is, there's nothing you can do. I will say this, I do like the elephant print on this one, the lighter shade, but the fact that it's kind of faded like that, it looks like somebody rubbed it, not a fan of that look. Sole premise sneaker bags hold my sneakers safely and securely when I'm traveling. There's actual compartments to store my sneakers inside of my backpack. There's 5 to 6 pairs of sneakers inside of this one bag, plus I have room for my clothes, my laptop, my chargers, and a bunch more. Sole premise also makes a smaller backpack that holds 1 to 2 pairs. Sole premise makes a bunch of bags. All of these bags are made and designed to store your sneakers. There's actual compartments. There's no other bag like it on the market. Make sure you guys check my link down below in the description. Check out Sole Premise and use my promo code Danny Moore. My name Danny Moore at checkout. That will give you 40% off from the entire website. These are the best sneaker bags in the world. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this fire video. I absolutely love my Sole Premise sneaker bags. They're amazing. Now, this next picture has a smudge on it. Listen, smudges, paint, it is what it is. This is not a big deal. But this next one, something noticeable here is the actual cut of the elephant print around the toe. If you guys notice, this one's way off. It almost looks fake, to be honest with you. Like, way off, way too thin, way too thin. It's just not a good look on this pair around the toe. Now, shout out to Albert. He actually DM'd me this picture. This was his photo. This is crazy as well. If you guys notice, that left shoe is a disaster. It's misplaced really bad. The shape is off. The entire shoe looks lopsided. Just really bad when it comes to quality control. This next one is not awful. It's just that they have some marks around their elephant print, which, I mean, you know, that's not that bad, but it does suck when you're paying $210. We do want our sneakers to be perfect. Is it gonna be with Nike and Jordan Brand? No, certainly not. Especially when they're mass-produced. Now, this next one is from the Shock Drop, and these elephant prints, not only are they completely different, but if you guys notice, the shape, the cut, they're just placed differently on the sneakers as well. Once again, making them look questionable, not good. I know it's from the Shock Drop, but this is just not a good-looking pair whatsoever when it comes to the elephant print. Look how sloppy it is. Look how off-centered they are. The stitching, just everything does not look good on these elephant prints around the toe. Once again, this elephant print is a disaster. It's a disaster, but you know what? It's the material. I understand it, but at the end of the day, it sucks. I think a lot of people just want a good pair. When you're spending this type of money, listen, I understand. We all want good materials, good quality control. Spending $210 plus tax. We don't want things like this to be happening. Now, when it comes to the leather itself, you gotta watch out because of the leather quality material used. You guys can notice some pairs are tumbled, some are smooth leather. This guy has a pair that's 1-in-1. That's all over the place. When you wear them, it won't be as bad. It won't be noticeable or anything like that. It'll break in nicely. But when they're brand new out of the box like this, sucks. So please watch out for quality control issues on the reimagined Jordan 3s. Here's my advice to you guys. If you win in store, if you're able to look at the pair before you pay for it, please do so. Make sure it's a pair that you're okay with. If it's not, ask nicely if you could swap it out for maybe another pair, if that's possible. If it's not, it is what it is. Apps. If you are cautious about buying on apps because you don't want to have a majorly defected pair, then stay away from the apps entirely and try to buy them in hand locally, maybe at a store, maybe local meetups. You can find out if you could get a good pair. And if you're buying them off of somebody, I highly recommend getting pictures beforehand. Have them send you some good pics because you guys need to see the quality control issues from pair to pair. When it comes to the sneakers app or any online release, you're basically stuck with what you get. If you don't like the pair for whatever reason, maybe you get darker elephant print when you wanted the lighter elephant print, something like that. What I recommend doing is selling the pair and buying them back in, once again, locally. That'll be your best bet so that you can actually see before you buy them to make sure it's a pair that you actually want. Now, a big message for Nike. I know this is not going to get anywhere, right? We always say it doesn't get anywhere, but Nike, I hope that they do better on certain releases like this especially. You guys messed up the Lost and Found release with the mold issues, with just a bunch of issues on this sneaker, and it seems like you did it again with the white cement Jordan 3. When it comes to classic OG Jordans like this is not the shoe for Jordan Brand to be messing up. Good luck getting a good pair of the reimagined Jordan 3s. They do have a big problem going around. It sucks, but it is what it is at the end of the day. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.